So let's get started. So in my day care routine, I will be following 4 steps: cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and the most important, sunscreen. So anytime when you're following a skincare routine, always make sure to follow the process of cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. These 3 are very necessary steps when you're following your skincare. So I will start with my day skincare review. Let's start with the cleanser first. So this face wash actually has rice extracts, which actually brightens up your skin and clears up your skin with all the dirt and makeup that you're wearing. So I like cleaning my face with this face wash, gently rubbing on my skin, putting more water. And then washing it off. So after using the cleanser, I will be using Beautyco Rose Toner. So this toner is really nice and gives you a lot of fragrance of rose, and the best part is that it rehydrates, revives and rejuvenates your skin with a lot of freshness of rose. So I have taken a little bit of toner on my cotton pad, and then softly I'm going to dab it all over my face. Now I will be using Lemmy's Super Tasker Cream. It's actually super hydrating, and it also works as a skin elasticity booster. So it's actually a hydrating gel formula, and it's very lightweight. I'm going to put it all over my face. So now after following the step of cleanser, toner and moisturizer, one of the very important steps that we generally try to miss out is a sunscreen. So never ever forget to put on a sunscreen, and today I will be using L'Oreal UV Perfect Sunscreen, which is actually really hydrating. It's very watery, and it is with SPF 50 and PA++++, which is a great amount to use it every day, and it really absorbs the skin really nicely. And the best part is it protects your skin from UVA and UVB rays wonderfully with a good amount of SPF. So I'm going to put it all over, and I'm done with my day care routine. Now I will be following my night care routine. So for that, first of all, I need to remove my makeup, and for that I will be using this Garnier Makeup Remover. This is oil-infused one. I'm going to take it out of this. I will be using Face Shop Rice Face Wash. So I'm going to take a little bit of it. And then I'm going to splash water. So after washing my face, I will be using Beautyco Rose Water Toner, which is very refreshing, rejuvenating, reviving, and I love the fragrance of this one. So I'm going to softly dab it. Using a toner, I need some deep hydration under my skin, so I will be using its Skin Collagen Serum. So this serum really helps to retain the moisture in the skin. It reduces fine lines, and it also makes your skin look really healthy and younger. So make sure to always use a serum as a deep moisturizing cream every night, because night is a time when your skin really needs a lot of product, and it has a good time to get absorbed into your skin because you're not moving out. So your skin actually needs time to retain a moisture. Now I will be using its Skin Power 10 Formula by Eye Cream. It is very lightweight formula. It hydrates your under eye, reduces fine line, and it's quick absorbing. And the best part about this eye cream is that it's really hydrating. So after prepping my eyes, I will be using a moisturizer on my face, and again I will be using this Lemmy's Super Tasker Cream to make sure that my skin looks healthy, glowing, looks more hydrating, and it boosts up the elasticity of my skin. So I'm going to apply it and push my skin upwards. Now I'm done, ready to sleep, and make sure that all the nutrients and everything that I've used on my skin is nicely absorbed. So do follow all these steps at home, and I hope you guys liked the video. So for more such content, keep following Foxy. Until then, stay fab, stay foxy.